We'll guide you through how to restart a stuck or frozen iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and use it, but you're unable to, as it's stuck and you can't touch the screen and it's not responding. So we're going to guide you through how this can go and be fixed. You may be thinking you need to wait for it to run out of charge or battery, and then it will be completely flat and you can charge it again and it will turn on. But hopefully with the help of this video, we're going to go and get it solved. Just make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead as we guide you through how this is done. So we can actually go and perform a restart using the buttons. It will then go and restart, and when it comes back on, it should then be working again and no longer stuck and frozen. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what we're going to be doing is pressing the volume increase, then decrease, and we tap and hold that side button. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now, when your iPhone's stuck or frozen, you may not go and see this screen here. You may do, but you probably won't. It will just go remain same. Now, the screen should go black. Keep the button held down until you see the Apple icon, like I did there. Now the iPhone is going to go and be starting again. Keep waiting though, and shortly it's going to come back on. And as I said, when it comes back on, it should then go and be unstuck and unfrozen, and you're going to be able to go and use it again. As you can see, here we are. So now I can go and swipe up. I need to enter in the passcode, and now it's working as it usually would. That's it. So hopefully with the help of this video, you managed to go and fix the problem via the restart. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day. If you have any suggestions for content, then feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll try my best to go and make it. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.